Alright, final help video for Unit 3, Section 4. We've been working on this homework assignment and everything is pretty straightforward. We just went over question number 9 to find the pH. Questions 10, 11, 13, and 14 follow that same basic pattern. But for some reason I decided to throw you a wrench here, or throw a wrench in things with question number 12. So question number 12 is asking what the concentration of potassium propionate, what that is when the concentration of propionic acid is 0.085 moles. I gave you the pH and I gave you the pKa. So once again, this guy isn't too bad. I just put in my Henderson-Hasselbalch. pH is equal to pKa plus the log of my ratio of base to acid. So for this problem, I say, hey, I know the pH is 4.72. I know that my pKa is 4.87 plus the log, and what I don't know is the ratio of base to acid, but I was told that my acid was 0.085, and what it asked for was what would the base be then. And so I can just solve this using basic algebra, and it's not too bad. First thing I'm going to do is get rid of that 4.87. So one side minus 4.87, I subtract 4.87 from the other side, and because I don't trust myself to do it in my head, 4.72 minus 4.87, and again, don't ever skip steps, you'll only get yourself messed up. So I end up with a negative 0.15 on one side, and now I've got this guy log of x over 0.085. And this can get kind of messy. So what I'm going to do is just get rid of that log by dividing both sides by log. And so now I've got this negative 0.015. I can take the antilog of that, negative 0.015, and that is essentially what we're doing here when we divide any number by log. It's the same thing as taking the antilog. So by doing that I get 0.7079. So I have 0.7079 equals whatever I was left with before on the other side, this x over 0.085. Well, from there it's just a matter of getting the algebra done. So I divide both sides by 0.085, and so I take that number I had times 0.085, and I get 0.0601. 5, whatever. Or in other words, I can find out that the molar ratio of base to acid in this case was 0.06017 molar parts of base to the 0.085 molar parts of acid that I was given in the problem. And that's all there is to it.